morning, class 9. Today we will discuss about the third subatomic particle, neutron. Before that, we have discussed about the electrons and proton. Neutron was discovered by the scientist James Chadwick in 1932. Neutron is denoted by small n and it is present in the center of an atom that is called nucleus. In nucleus, proton and neutrons both are present. Characteristic of neutrons. Mass of neutron, one is absolute mass and one is relative mass. Absolute mass of neutron is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram, which is equivalent to the absolute mass of proton. And their relative mass is also 1 unit like proton. If we are talking about their charge, neutron do not carry any charge, neither positive or negative. It is chargeless, means zero charge. When we summarize the mass and charge of electron, protons and neutron, which is given in this table, the charge particle electron having relative mass 1 by 1840 mass of hydrogen atom, which is taken as a negligible because it is very less. If we are talking their relative charge, electron carry negative charge. Second is proton. Relative mass of proton is 1 unit and it carry the positive charge, 1 unit positive charge. In case of neutron, relative mass of neutron is 1 unit and charge is 0. Electron is present in orbits, in a circular orbits around the nucleus, while both protons and neutrons are present in the nucleus, in the center of an atom. Suppose this is the atom. See here, this is the shape of atom. This is sphere. In the center of atom, both subatomic particles, protons and neutrons are present. Around the nucleus, there are circular paths. These paths are called orbits or shell. K shell, M shell, N shell. In these orbits, electrons are revolve around the nucleus. It means location of electron is in the shell or in the orbit and protons and neutrons in the nucleus. This is about the 3 subatomic particles. Students, we have learned that in the Dalton's atomic theory that atom is indivisible, but after the discovery of these 3 subatomic particles, electron, protons and neutrons, we can say that, or we conclude that atoms can be divisible into 3 subatomic particles. First time the scientist J.J. Thomson make a model, give the structure of atom in which he told where these subatomic particles how arranged. This we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.